30, but she's getting it. Taking her home. Look at this. Deal right here in Pennsylvania. Look at this, everybody. Taking it for a free ride. They gotta pull the other one out to get her in the garage. That old